Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we have an unboxing for my girl Candy. But who is Candy? It's this little girl. Candy is a Coton de Tulear breed, just in case. And my name is Lorena, and I'm here. Hello, hello. And I want to start to say the OKMEE company sent us one of their pet carriers for my girl Candy, and I will make a honest review, so let's open the package together. You can find this item in Amazon, and don't worry, all information about them it will be below in my description box. Wow, this is the bag. It's for cats and dogs, small and medium size. I'm going to show you everything about this bag. It's affordable. It has this large pocket with double zip. It has this circular window or door and a clear space to place a card with your animal's information, and it has double zip. In the other end, we also have another similar window or door. At the top, we have a door with mesh and double zip. Inside, we have a soft fabric pad. It has Velcro on the bottom. It's flexible. And we also have this adjustable strap to carry the pet bag. Inside, we have a strap with hook to hold the animal, very secure. I will place the pad inside. This bag is very ventilated. And now I will put the strap to carry the pet bag. It's light, secure, and you can put it under your cabin seat on the plane for sure. Don't worry about the measurement of the bag and Candy. I will leave it below in my description box. Don't forget we have a special discount for you below in my description box. And here is Candy, and I'm going to put my baby girl inside. She fits perfectly. She has a space in there to turn, lay down, and sit. And she feels comfortable as you're watching it now. I know Candy looks bigger in the videos and photos, and the Coton de Tulear breed has a special coat, very fluffy, and they look more bigger. But in the real life, she's small but semi-tall and heavy. If you are new in my channel today, welcome to subscribe. I have new videos every week in Spanish and English. And please don't forget check below in my description box all the information about OKMEE company, and you will find a special discount for you. Here we are at the train station, and look how Candy is in her bag. She's comfortable and very happy. I hope you liked my honest review. Please subscribe, follow me on my social media, and see you next time. Bye bye.